Hi, welcome back to Meet the Myers. Today we are doing another unboxing. So, let's get started. Ooh, that says Little Grim.
Little Jim.
Little Jim. And then we have a kiwi. I don't know what this is.
I don't either. They're packaged different than last time.
Mm-hmm. Pull front, it says. Pull forward, it says. So we are just going to take them out and get right in. And another update on our plants. They are doing fine, and we already put them in there. So back to this. You need to
Can I do it?
Take the bandage off. Maddie, no. We're
Careful.
gonna take the bandage off. Can you take the little piece of cardboard off for me?
Yeah.
Be careful.
Okay.
Hold on, be careful.
They're
gentle,
cold.
Gentle.
Oh no!
Go like this.
Mommy, this fell off.
Oh, stick it back in. This is different. There we go. Oh, look, we knocked part of our plant off. That's not good.
No, it shouldn't.
These were hard to package.
Okay, we have to be
These were-
gentle with this. Be gentle.
So we're
All
gonna,
right. We'll just leave them sit here for a minute.
we need to water them.
Be careful. You're
Can we
gonna
water
kill
them,
it.
Mama?
No,
Why?
just a little bit.
Can I do it?
Hold this. Look, see this? There's no water in it.
Oh, so I have to do the spray bottle. So we get a little mud.
Do I do?
That's good for. Have we watered these, Mom?
I did that today.
Did we water these?
I did that today.
Oh, I wanted to do it.
I guess that's it. 2 little babies. Do you want to show it to the camera again?
2 little babies, the little gem, and kiwi something. Well, we'll see you next time. Bye.